students, today we'll complete this chapter, that is measuring time. Our last part is remaining, that is word problem. Now we'll see the word problem of problem set 45, question number 3. So let's start with our word problem. Now question number 3, a movie, a government office open at 7 in the morning. See, a government office, it is opening at 7 in the morning and closes at 3 in the afternoon. कभी बंद हुआ and it is closing at 3 in the afternoon. How long is this office open? Now you have to search that how long is the office open. Now the office is opening at 7 in the morning and closing at 3 in the afternoon. Clear? सुबह 7 बजे खुलता है और दोपहर में 3 बजे बंद हो जाता है. Now 3 बजे means after 12. I have explained you regarding the 24 hour and regarding the 12 hour. Now after 12 o'clock, what we will write after 12, when 1 o'clock will be there, we are going to write 13. Clear what we are going to write? 13, because I have explained you that also. After 12 noon, the time will be 13, 14, 15. Now here what we have to do, we have to first convert this 3 in the afternoon into 24-hour clock. What we have to convert this? Because as we convert the 3 in the afternoon, we will subtract that thing from the 7. So let us see first. Now here what you have to do, you have to convert this 3 in the afternoon into 24 hour. Afternoon का ये जो 3 है, that you will convert into 24 hour. Now 3 in the afternoon means how much hour in 24 o'clock? Very good. 3 in the afternoon means it will be 15. It will be 15 hours in 24 hours clock. See, 24 hours clock means 3 in the afternoon will convert into 15. Now that means in the first statement you will make a column, you will make a table, you will write hours and minutes. Now first 15 hours means 15 and minute you will write 0. It is which time? This is statement sum, so you have to write in a statement. So 15 hour it is a closing time. And what is the opening time? The opening time was 7 in the morning. So 7 minute में क्या आएगा? 00. That is the opening time. Now here they ask that how long is this office open? कितना घंटा open रहता है ये office? So for that we have to subtract 15 from 7. Now 15 minus 7. Now 15 minus 7 is what? 8 will remain. That means the office remain closed. The office remain open. Sorry, the office remain open for 8 hours. 8 घंटे के लिए वहां पे काम होता है. So how we find out? See here you can convert, you can count in the finger also. 7 के आगे भी हम लोग count कर सकते हैं. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. That also come 8 hours only. But this is word problem sum. So what we have to do? We have to convert 3 in the afternoon as 24-hour clock time. So 3 in the afternoon will become 15 hour in the 24 clock. From that 15 we have to subtract 7. 7 बजे जो office open होता है. So 15 is the closing time, 15 hour, and 7 is the opening time. So we will mention in the, so we have to mention in the statement opening time as well as the closing time. Then subtract 15 from 7, we'll get how much? We'll get 8 hours. That means the office remain open for how many hours? 8 hours. In this way, you will solve the word problem which is related to hours and minute. Okay, student, I think I have clearly explained and you people have understood. So you can write down in your notebook. You are not going to write down in your workbook. You are going to write down the word problem in your notebook. Okay, now the next question is, a movie start at 45 minutes past 3 in the afternoon. See, a movie is going to be start at 45 minutes past 3 in the afternoon and finish 2.5 hours later. 2.5 घंटे के बाद मूवी खत्म हो गया and it starts at what? It start at 45 minutes past 3 means it start exactly at 3:45 and after 2.5 hours, 2.5 घंटे के बाद मूवी खत्म हो गई after. So at what time does the movie end? So movie कितने बजे खत्म हो गई? That time we have to find out because they told that it start at 3:45. 3:45 को start हुआ, 2.5 hour movie chala. So exactly which time, what time the movie stops? So we want to find out the time over here. So how we are going to start it? We are going to write the statement first. The first statement must be start time of the movie. Now movie kabhi start hua? Movie start at 3:45. Movie kabhi start hua? You can see here. Movie start at 3:45. So first statement we'll have to write that only the movie start at 3:45. Now the second what we have to write, we have to mention कि movie कभी end हुआ, उसने कितना time लिया end होने के लिए. So the second statement must be the time after which it end. What we will write the second statement? The time after which it end. How much hour it taken? It has taken 2.5 hours. How much? It has taken 2.5 hours. So we have to add 2:30 hours to the start time. Here we are not going to deduct because हमको time पूछा गया है. They asked about the time of the movie end. कितना बजे end हुआ? That time we have to add 2 hours 30 minutes to the start time. So we will make the column of hours and minutes. Then in hour it is given 3 hours 45 minutes plus 2 hours 30 minutes. Now as I have explained you in the previous lecture regarding the addition and subtraction, what you are going to do? You are going to add 45 plus 30. Now 45 plus 30 means 5 plus 0 will become 5 and 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 will become 7. 3 plus 2 will become 5. Till here. Now 75 minutes तो होता नहीं है. So that time what I have explained you, what you have to do? From 75 you have to subtract 60. याद करो. From 75 what you have to subtract? 60. Now from 75 if you subtract 60, 75 minus 60, what will remain? 5 minus 0 will become 5 and 7 minus 6 will become 15. That means this 15 will write over here and this is 1 hour. So 1 will add over here. 1 will add over here. So what it become? It become 5 plus 1, 6. So movie कब खत्म हो गया? कौन से टाइम पे? The movie end at 6 hours 15 minutes. Now that 15 means I have explained quarter to also and quarter past also. So this 15 is what? Quarter past. So what will be our statement? Therefore the movie end at 6:15 in the evening. शाम को 6:15 बजे मूवी खत्म हुआ, which was started at 3:45 after taking 2.5 hours. Clear how you got answer? 6 hour 15 minutes, 6:15 में शाम को that movie and clear. Now here you can't do directly, you have to write stepwise also, because we are doing the statement sense, so need to write the steps also. So here 45 plus 30 we got 75. 75 minutes we don't have, so we have to subtract from 60, because addition में हमको subtract करना है और subtraction में हमको add करना है. So don't get confused regarding addition and subtraction. So 75 minus 60, I got 15. Now 1 hour we have taken here, so we have to add 1 hour to 5. So 5 plus 1 will become 6. So exactly the movie end at 6:15 in the evening, or else you can write 6:15 in the evening. Both the answers are right. If you are writing 6:15 in the evening, that is also right. If you are writing 6:15 in the evening, that is also right. So here we have done with the second sums also. So let us write down in your notebook with the proper statement and a good handwriting. Now the next word problem is, if a bank is open for business from 10 in the morning to 4:30 in the evening. See, first sum जैसे किया था वैसा ही same है. Now here, if a bank is opening at 10 in the morning and 4:30 in the evening it is closing. So how long is it open? कितने घंटा बैंक open है? Clear? बैंक कभी स्टार्ट किया, बैंक कभी ओपन किया? They have opened the bank at 10 in the morning and closed at 4:30 in the evening. So what you have to know? You have to write down how long it is open. कितना घंटा बैंक open था? So let us see with our sum. Here. Now here what we will write? 10 a.m. by 24 hour will become 10 a.m. only, because 10 a.m. will not convert into 24 hour. It will be same as 10 o'clock only. Then 4:30 p.m. by 24 hour. Now 4:30 means it will be 16:30. It will be 16:30. As I told, 1 will convert into 13, 2 will convert into 14, 3 will convert into 15, and 4 will convert into 16. So your 4:30 p.m. by 24-hour clock means 16 hour 30 minutes. 16 hour 30 minutes. Now we have to find out that bank kitna der open tha. Now same we have to maintain the two column. We have to take a table with two columns. We will write hours and minutes. Now here 16 hour 30 minutes, that we will write first because it is a closing time. So 16:30 we'll write, then we'll subtract from 16:30 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock को क्या हुआ था? बैंक ओपन हुआ था. This was the open time and this was the closing time. That was closing time was 16:30. That is, when we talk about 12 hours, it will convert as 4:30. But we have to talk about 24 hours. That means it will convert into 16:30. And 10 in the morning, that means it will remain in 24 hours 10 only, or in 12 hours also it will remain 10 only. So this is the open time. Now we have to subtract closing time from open time. Now 0 minus 0 will become 0. 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0 will become 3 only. Now 6 minus 0 will be 6 and 1 minus 1 will become 0. So what was the bank? How much time it was open? So the bank was open for 6 hours 30 minutes. साढ़े 6 घंटा बैंक ओपन था. So what? How you got? You got answer by subtracting closing time to the open time. So we exactly got that the bank was open for 6 hours 30 minutes. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. So you'll copy down these things in your notebook. And here we have completed our chapter as well as our word problem. The remaining sums which I left, that will come in a part of homework. Because homework भी आपको करना है ना. अगर पूरा word problem मैंने सिखा दिया तो आप खुद से कब try करोगे? So that will come as a homework. So here we have completed our chapter number 10, that is measuring time.